In today's problem, we will practice ATI TEAS 6, Problem 6, Finding the Sales Price. John purchased a television when his local electronics store had a sale. The television was offered at 30% off its original price of $472. What was the sale price that John paid? We have two steps that we're going to take in order to find the sale price of this television. Step 1 is to find the discount amount. This is the amount that we are going to subtract from the original price. In order to find the discount amount, we will take the original price, $472, and multiply it by the percent discount, which in this case is 30%. The second step will be to take the original price and subtract from it the discount amount, which in turn will give you the final sale price that we're looking for. Let's get started. In step 1, we're going to take 472, the original amount, and we're going to multiply it by the 30% discount. Now, before we apply the 30% discount to 472, we will have to convert the percent to a decimal. The way to do this is to take the 30, and to add a decimal to the end of 30, because in all whole numbers, we always add a decimal to the end of that value, and we'll still have the same amount, 30. Then what we'll do is we'll take that decimal and move it to the left 2 places. As a result, you will have 0.30. Now, the reason I'm showing you this manually is because on the TEAS you cannot use a calculator. So I wanted to show you manually how to convert a percent to a decimal. Now that we've converted our percent to a decimal, we're going to multiply 472 times 0.30. Now at this point, guys, I'm going to assume that you're comfortable with your multiplication, multi-digit multiplication. So I'm going to go through this kind of quick. 2 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. So basically we took 472 and multiplied it by the ones place in 0.30. Second row, you add your placeholder and you start with the tens place. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 times 3 is 21. Carry the 2. And 4 times 3 is 12. You will add the 2 to 12 to get 14. Add your values together. And finally, in any decimal problem of multiplication, we will find out how many numbers come after the decimal in the original problem. In this case, there's 2, 3, and 0. So our final answer will have 2 numbers after the decimal. So in this case, our final answer will be $141.60. Now, mind you, this is the discount amount. This is not the sales price. As a matter of fact, on the TEAS test, there will be an answer choice guaranteed that will be the discount amount, and people will pick that. But again, just as a reminder, this is the discount amount, not the sales price. We still have another step to go here. Step 2. So now what we will do is we will take the original price and we'll subtract from it our discount amount. In step 2, for the subtraction, I'm also going to assume that you guys are comfortable with your subtraction, especially when it involves borrowing. So I'm just going to line my numbers up here. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, I cannot subtract 6 from 0, so I'm going to borrow a 1 from 2 and then make this 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 4 minus 1 is 3. As you can see, we've subtracted the original price, and we also subtracted the discount amount here. So as a result, we have our sales price of $330.40. Guys, if you find this video helpful, give us a like. We will be adding several videos of actual T6 problems every week. Also, subscribe to our channel. If you know somebody else that needs assistance, forward the video to them. Caring is sharing, or sharing is caring. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.